Rightio, so here we've got, we know that integration, we add 1 to the power. Correct? And that's all well and good when you've got powers of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or -2, -3, -5. But what happens when we add 1 to the power of 1 over x? What's x to the -1 plus 1? X to the 0, which is kind of counterintuitive, isn't it? So rather than progressing down that way, I sort of thought I'd go back to what we'd learned earlier. That's why I play for brothers. Earlier in the term we looked at the derivative of ln x, correct? And we found out what's ln? Log base e. We found out that that was 1 over x. Remember there was a rule that had ln fx equals f dash x over fx. Cool. So if we wanted to reverse that, therefore what should be the integration of 1 over x? If we want to go back that way, that will become ln of x plus c. Happy with that? So what's that tell you about functions that have got, if we wanted to find the integration of 1 on x, that would become ln x. Say we had that function there. So y equals ax plus b. Remember, y equals ln fx. The derivative of that, dy dx, equals f dash x over fx. Remember that? All of a week ago, so probably not. Some of you are genuinely like, never seen that before. It's a good thing I like about the YouTube channel is I can go back and say, no, I literally taught you this last week. It's right there. That gives us that, doesn't it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah,
remember that? Now that's all well and good, but we don't get many problems that look like this, do we? Do many problems come along where it says integrate a function where you happen to have the coefficient above? They often come looking like this. So if I wanted to go back, what would be my rule? How would I get back to that? Let's start with what we know.
So get back to...
So if I want to go back this way, so flip, so I get ln, you said ln and I flip it, which is what I'm assuming you mean put that inside the bracket. Oh, what's the problem with that? Am I done yet? Yeah, the derivative, that's not 1, is it? So how do I make that 1? Take the out. Can I just take it out? That's a multiplication, isn't it? Divide by a, which we can represent as 1 over a. Cool. So the rules I want you to get out of that, you can remember this rule if you'd like. So the one, I'll put a red box around it. You can remember that rule. Obviously I've forgotten my plus c. I would recommend just that one. Why would I recommend just that one? Do you want to learn multiple rules or just one? Just one? So in this scenario, like I could give you that one. Any danger of finding a red pen that works? I could give you that one. Nope. Why would I not give you both? Why would I recommend that you only write the one on the right down? Will it work for both?
Yeah.
What's A? Is A 1? What's B? So won't that give me 1 over x plus 0, which is 1 over x, times 1 over 1, which is? So I would recommend just using that rule and remembering, it's the worst word red pen in the world, and remembering that you can set A as 1 and B as 0. If you want to learn two rules, by all means, power to you. I like to remember one and go from there. Sweet. Now a bit of time between us and our next class.